So you may have bought Step 1 clean product with a specific project in mind, and so as you've used the product, you probably realize that a little bit goes a long way. And so you probably have some left over and you're looking for other places that you could use the product. And so we want to give you some examples of other metal objects around the house that are great uses for the product. So with our Step 1 clean products, again, we're just walking around the house looking for applications that are exterior metal, and one of those great ones that sometimes gathers a lot of dust and dirt are your light fixtures. Some people call them their coach lights, exterior lights. All we're going to do is the same way, not a lot to it. We're just going to wipe on. You can see we're bringing back a nice shine and luster. And the beauty here is that some people may repaint these, but that requires you to take them down and repaint them and reinstall them. This we can just work on right on the house. You'll see that it takes us about 2 minutes per light. Make them look as shiny as when they came out of the box. And there we go. Thank you for watching. For more tips and techniques on all the all-new products and applications, visit us online.